Back in the summer of 2018, we did a vlog in Albuquerque, New Mexico, taking a train to Santa Fe. Though most of the footage was lost, some of that footage has been found, and so we take you now to the lost vlog, the train ride to Santa Fe. It's vloggy vlog time!
Hi.
We are in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
You can see the beautiful Sandia Mountains behind us.
Kind of see the mountains back there. We're also with our, we're gonna get ready to go on a choo-choo train. And bonus, we're with our good friends, the Carnally crew.
Yes.
You can follow their YouTube channel because it's like the best ever on YouTube.
At the Carnally
And
crew.
we're gonna go to the best New Mexican restaurant on the planet and ride a train, and we're gonna have a lot of fun.
It's gonna be a great day.
Are we on a train?
Yeah!
Are we on the train?
Yeah!
How cool is this?
Really cool. It's very cool.
These are some of our dearest friends right here.
And you have to check out their vlog.
You have to check out their vlog.
What is going on?
This is a double vlog. Double vlog video. The Carnally crew, it's amazing. Way better than these vlogs. Like a whole nother level. I mean, look at this right here. This is how you vlog right there.
This is how you vlog. This is how you vlog.
Even writing vloggy vlog songs. Look at that. Got the gorilla stand, a microphone. I'm still vlogging on my phony phone.
It's all right.
That's all right.
But look at
I
this.
did too,
We're on a train.
I know.
We're on a train.
Welcome, boys and girls, to Santa Fe.
Alright, it's Santa Fe.
All right, it's time to get off the train. We made it to Santa Fe. Time to eat at the greatest New Mexican restaurant. We made it to Santa Fe, guys. Woo! There's the train behind us. They call that the New Mexico Rail Runner. Super awesome. Hey, Aiden, where were you? How come you weren't on the train? Did you drive?
Yeah.
How was your drive? Look, it's Brett. Can you believe it?
So they
Hey, I remember you. Hey, Brett.
Yeah.
Welcome to Santa Fe.
Dude, I am so excited to be here right now.
Yeah, welcome to Santa Fe.
Psyched out of my mind.
Here we are at Tomasita's, and there's only one option here at Tomasita's. You gotta do the super combination plate for the hungry appetite. Brett, tell us what is in the super combination plate.
So according to this list, it says one rolled enchilada, one tamale. Is that how you say that?
Tamale, a tamale.
And then one relleno, relleno, one taco,
A taco,
rice, beans,
and then Christmas style.
red and green chili. So
Right.
that's probably going to be the most
And
exciting part.
you're gonna get some sopapillas. That will probably be the most exciting part for you.
All right.
Here we
That's
go.
what's up.
It's about to go down. Babe, you ready?
I'm so ready.
Papa Bear?
You ready?
Nana, you ready? Yes. All right, Brett. How does that work? How does that look, man?
Yes.
It's just yes.
It's just yes.
Everything about this is yes. You got the chili relleno right there. That looks like the enchilada, the taco, the tamale right there.
This is incredible.
Yeah, what'd you get over there? You got the taco, relleno, tamale. There's mine. There's yours, babe.
I'm so happy right now.
I have a hankering for an ice cream cone. Let's go find one. You want to find an ice cream cone?
Let's try.
Let's do it. We're gonna walk and find some ice cream here in Santa Fe. Who wants ice cream? Yes!
Sometimes whenever it rains, there's probably a river.
Have you heard the story of Buffalo Bill in this ravine right here? What happened to him? Him and the Sundance Kid? It all went down in this ravine.
She's like, we'll be able to go back around again.
I think I got some ice cream in my beer.
Callie, what do you want?
Dude,
You already got it?
that is what's up. How do you get service like that? That's what I want to know.
Huh? Just gotta be a fat guy.
They're like,
Fat
"Got ice cream."
Fat guy comes into an ice cream shop.
Dude,
Get
You're
the
getting
guy.
some ice cream.
You're getting some ice cream.
it gets serious, and you want to get them some ice cream.
That's right. All right, so I would consider this a pretty successful trip to Santa Fe. We got some amazing Mexican food.
Yeah.
We rode the train.
New Mexico.
New Mexican food, exactly, there's a difference. And we found some ice cream, and we're in beautiful Santa Fe right here on the square. You can see it in the background right there. But you know what time it is? Y'all know what time it is?
Yeah.
Now it's time to high five and hit subscribe.